Hi there. In this video, we are going to learn about some common English grammar mistakes we usually make. So, without further delay, go through the examples and make sure you understand the corrections. So, here the incorrect sentence would be does she has a car, whereas the correct sentence would be does she have a car, because here the main verb have denotes possession or ownership. Next incorrect sentence would be he did not wrote the test last week, whereas correctly you can say it like he did not write the test last week, because the helping verb did is followed by the present tense of the verb, not the past tense form. So here the present tense of the verb is right. If you say the sentence I cannot cope up with this pressure, then it would be incorrect. The correct sentence would be I cannot cope with this pressure, because cope is followed by the preposition with and never followed by up. Even professionals commit this error. Another incorrect sentence would be I came to office by walk. We know that we can say by car, by bike, by bus and by flight. However, we cannot say by walk. Correct sentence would be I came to office on foot. If you say the sentence what is the time in your watch, then it would be incorrect. Correct sentence would be what is the time by your watch, because time is an abstract concept. It doesn't have a body, so it cannot be contained in a watch. Another incorrect sentence here is our classroom is in the second floor. You can say it correctly like our classroom is on the second floor. Now here the incorrect sentence would be he has white hairs. We know that all the hair on one's head is considered uncountable, and so hairs is almost incorrect. You can say it correctly like he has grey hair. Now incorrect sentence here is I prefer coffee than tea. You can say it correctly I prefer coffee to tea, because prefer is always followed by the preposition to. Now the incorrect sentence here is the price of this mobile phone is higher than yours, whereas correct sentence would be the price of this mobile phone is higher than that of yours. Now the incorrect sentence here is he is good in maths. You can say it correctly like he is good at maths. Now if we use this sentence I saw a dream, that would not be more preferable as I had a dream. It sounds more correct. Now incorrect sentence here is I wish I was an artist. Use it correctly like I wish I were an artist, because I were is used when you are talking about something that is not true, or when you wish something was true. Now if we use the sentence I'm going for shopping, that would not be right, whereas you can say it correctly like I'm going shopping. Now the incorrect sentence would be order for a pizza. You can say it correctly, order a pizza. Now incorrect sentence would be me and my friends went for dinner. Look, this is fine in casual speech, but in formal writing, you can use my friends and I went for dinner. Use pronoun I when the person speaking is doing the action. Now incorrect sentence would be here. I am a 16 years old boy. Use it correctly like I am a 16-year-old boy or I am 16 years old. Now incorrect sentence here is if yes. Again this is fine in casual speech but should be avoided in formal writing. So use if so or if your answer is yes. Now incorrect sentence here is more better. You can't use more better. Say it like even better or better. Now guys, never use marriage anniversary. Say it correctly like wedding anniversary. Now the incorrect sentence here is everyone have a story. Use it correctly. Everyone has a story because everyone is considered as singular. The same is true for couple and a team. Some examples are everyone has a chance, the couple has a car, and the team has a final game tonight. Now, if you use the sentence, my husband is engineer, that would not be right. Correct sentence would be, my husband is an engineer. Use an before vowel. Now here the incorrect sentence would be, she has married with a dentist. Say it like, she has married to a dentist. That would be right. Now the incorrect sentence would be, you speak English good. Say it correctly like, you speak English well. Now the incorrect sentence would be, my flight departs in 5 a.m. The correct sentence would be, my flight departs at 5 a.m. Incorrect sentence would be, she said me that she liked you. Say it correctly or use it correctly as, she told me that she liked you. Now here incorrect sentence would be, it is more hot now. Say it correctly like, it is hotter now. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Comment down below which of these sentences you have been using wrong. Like and share the video if you really like this video, and do subscribe the channel. Also click the bell icon. Thank you.